warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ratna Lestari with name 20230080117, Management Study Program Batch 23 Class T. The purpose of making this presentation video is to fulfill the final semester project of the Change Management course taught by Ms. Salix. Okay, next on this occasion, we will explore a very important and relevant theme in today's business world, which is sustainable innovation. We all know that in an era full of change and fierce competition, innovation is not just an option, but a necessity for every company to survive and grow. One prominent example in this case is PT Kino Indonesia Tbk, a company engaged in the fast-moving consumer goods (FMCG) segmentation. I will discuss how PT Kino has leveraged the spiral innovation approach to drive sustainable innovation. We will see how does company help management to create products that not only meet the need of consumer but also adapt to change management trend through a plan, innovation strategy, and strong collaboration with various stakeholders. PT Kino has achieved significant success in competitive market. Let's start our journey to trace the trail of creativity of PT Kino Indonesia Tbk and understanding how sustainable innovation is key to their business strategy. Okay, next slide. Spiral innovation, a system approach. Point 1. Understanding market need. Spiral innovation begins with a deep understanding of market needs and trends. At this stage, PT Kino Indonesia Tbk conduct comprehensive market data analysis, including consumer research and competitive analysis. For example, company can ask survey to identify consumer preference for health and beauty product. By understanding what consumer want and how market trends are developing, PT Kino can identify opportunity for relevant innovation. For example, if research how that consumers are increasingly concerned about eco products line that as natural materials and recyclable packaging. With this approach, PT Kino not only meets the need of the market but also contribute to environmental sustainable. Point 2. Idea and prototype development. After understanding the needs of the market, the next stage in spiral innovation is the development of idea and prototype. Here, PT Kino Indonesia Tbk involved cross-functional team to product various innovative ideas. For example, if a company decides to develop a new product in the health drink category, the R&D marketing and design the health drink category teams will work together to select the most promising concept. Once the idea is selected, the next step is to develop a product prototype. In this process, collaboration with external partners such as nutritionists or raw material manufacturer is essential to ensure that the resulting products are not only innovative but also meet quality and safety standards. For example, if the prototype of a health drink development contains superfood ingredients, the team will conduct a test run to evaluate the taste, texture, and health benefit before launching it to marketing. With this systematic approach, PT Kino ensure that the product are completely in line with consumer experience and have competitive in the market. Slide 3. Responding to consumer need. Point 1. Natural product. The increasing consumer awareness of natural ingredients encourage PT Kino Indonesia Tbk to develop products made from natural ingredients such as oval real clay mix with contain natural ingredients such as clay and olive oil. Point 2. Effectiveness and usability. PT Kino Indonesia Tbk focus on develop effective and easy to use product. For example, the Opal Real Clay Mix is designed to clean and remove dirt and excess oil with paste. And point 3, affordability and accessibility. PT Kino Indonesia Tbk understand the importance of product accessibility for consumer. Its products are designed of affordable price and are widely available in various stores and e-commerce platform. Create presentation material and give example, make them in the form of paragraphs. Okay, next slide. Collaboration a driver of innovation. Point 1, customer feedback from customer is a very important element in guiding the innovation process at PT Kino Indonesia Tbk. The company released the in-order product that truly fit the needs and expectations of consumer. They needed to listen to the voice of the customer. For example, PT Kino often conduct surveys and hold group focus sessions to gather feedback on existing product and ideas for new product. For example, after receiving feedback that consumer wanted a new variant of oval real clay mix that was more sustainable for sensitive skin, PT Kino then developed a new variant with a softer and hypoallergenic formula. In this way, PT Kino not only creates relevant product but also build stronger relationship with customer. Okay, point 2, business partners. PT Kino Indonesia Tbk also relies on collaboration with business partners to ensure product quality and availability. The company cooperation with high quality raw material supplier, reliability, manufacturing partners, and exclusive distributor. For example, in the development for oval real clay mix, Kino established for partnership with natural clay supplier who have a good reputation for sustainability and quality. In addition, they also collaborate with manufacturing partners who have advanced technology to ensure an efficient and quality product process. With an extensive distribution network, PT Kino can be easily accessed by consumer in various locations, but in physical stores and e-commerce platforms. And point 3, regulator. Complying with product safety and quality standards set by regulators is an important aspect in the innovation process at PT Kino Indonesia Tbk. The company is committed to ensure that all product procedures are safe and high quality. For example, before launching Oval Real Climax, PT Kino conduct a series of trials and tests to ensure that the product meets the standard set by the Food and Drug Supervisory Agency. In Indonesia, by complying with extensive regulation, PT Kino not only protect consumer but also build a good reputation in the market as a responsible manufacturer. Okay, next slide. Exploring the innovation cycle. Point 1, idea development. Idea development is a crucial first step in the innovation cycle at PT Kino. This process involves in-depth market research, analysis of the latest trends, and incisive internal discussion for formulate product concepts that are innovative and relevant to make the market needs. For example, when PT Kino sees the increasing demand for natural skin care product, the R&D team conduct research to understand consumer preference and the ingredients that are most in demand. The result of the research are the asked to develop new product either, such as oval real clay mix, which combines natural ingredients with the benefit desired by consumer. With this approach, PT Kino can ensure that the product development are not only innovative, but also in line with market expectation. Okay, point 2, testing. Once the product either is formulated, the next step is testing. Product prototype are tested on a limited base in the market to gather feedback from consumer and evaluate the practicability of the product before mass launch. For example, PT Kino was able to launch a limited number of oval real climax in some stores to see how consumers respond to the product. During the testing period, the company collected data regarding consumer satisfaction, product effectiveness, and other aspects that need attention. The feedback gained from this testing is invaluable as it provides first-hand insight to what consumers like or dislike, as well as arise the need to be improved before a full launch. And point 3, improvement. After testing, the next step is to improve the product based on the feedback received. PT Kino Indonesia Tbk asks input from consumer to make improvement to the product. For example, if consumer give feedback that the oval real climax packaging is difficult to open, the company may consider redesigning the packaging to make it more as friendly. In addition, if there is a suggestion to add more interesting scan variant, PT Kino can develop a formula to meet this demand. In this way, the product is not only launched to the market but also continue to evolve and adapt to the needs of consumer, ensuring that PT Kino remains relevant and competitive in the industry. Okay, next slide. Managing innovation risks. Point 1. Market risks. One of the main challenges in innovation is market risks, which include uncertainty in the acceptance of new product by consumer. Rapid change in tastes and trends can make product that were previously considered innovative less relevant. For example, PT Kino Indonesia Tbk must consider that consumer may wish to product with more natural or environmentally friendly ingredients. If the oval really climax is launched without consider this trend, there is a chance that the product will not be well received in the market. In addition, the first competition in the beauty and skincare industry also adds complexity, as many other companies are also striving to meet consumer needs with similar product. Therefore, it is important for PT Kino to conduct in-depth market research and continuously monitor trends in order to anticipate change and reduce market risks. And point 2, technical risks. Technical risks are another challenge faced by PT Kino Indonesia product development in the product of innovation. Company must ensure that the product development meet the set quality and safety standard. For example, when developing oval real climax, PT Kino had to face the challenge of finding raw materials that were not only high quality but also safe to us. If a company has difficulty in searching appropriate raw materials or in developing efficient production technology, it can hinder product launches. In addition, if the product does not meet the standard set by regulator, such as BPOM, the product cannot be launched into the market. Therefore, PT Kino needs to conduct rigorous testing and work closely with partners who have technical expertise to minimize their strike. Okay, point 3, financial risk. Financial risk is also an important consideration in innovation. The investment required for new product development, including research and development, testing, and market growth, can be a significant obstacle. For example, if PT Kino allocated a large budget for the development of a real climax, but the product was not well received in the market, the company could suffer hug financial loss. Therefore, it is important for PT Kino to conduct a careful cost. Company can also consider conduct limited market testing before making a major investment thereby reducing financial risk and ensuring that the product launch has a higher chance of success. Okay, next slide. Product iteration, customing, and refining. Point 1. Product trial. The process of product iteration being with product trials, where prototypes are tested on a limited base in the market to get feedback from consumer. PT Kino Indonesia Tbk took this step by launching a limited number of oval climax in several strategic locations. During the trial period, the company collection data through survey, focus group discussion, and product trial in the field. For example, consumers are asked to try the product and give their opinion regarding the texture, aroma, and result after use. In this way, PT Kino can again first-hand insight to how the product is received by the market and what are the advantages and disadvantages of the product. And point 2, analysis and evaluation. After the product trial, the next step in analysis and evaluation. Feedback obtained from consumer is analysis to identify areas that need improvement. PT Kino as data analysis method to evaluate product effectiveness, market feasibility, and potential for further development. For example, if the result of the analysis how that most consumers feel that the packaging of Opal Real Climax is difficult to open. That this become a point of concern for improvement. In addition, the evaluation also include aspects such as price, visual level, and ease of us. By conducting an in-depth analysis, Patekino can make better decisions regarding the next step in the product development process. Okay, point 3, iteration and improvement. Based on the result of the analysis and evaluation, Patekino then iterated and improved the product. This process included making change and refinements to the formula, packaging, or product features to improve effectiveness, convenience, and appeal. For example, if feedback indicated that consumer want more diverse skin variant, PT Kino was able to develop several new skin options for the oval real climax. In addition, if the packaging is considered less partial, the company can redesign the packaging to make it easier to open and as by interacting and improving continuously. PT Kino not only improve the quality of its product, but also ensure that they remain relevant and appealing to consumer. Okay, next slide. Advantage and disadvantage of the spiral innovation approach. Point 1, access. Spiral innovation allow company to be responsive to change market needs and consumer trends. This approach also encourages strong collaboration between various stakeholders. And point 2, debilitation. This approach involves high risks in the development of new products, including market risks, technical risks, and financial risks. Reliance on consumer feedback is also a weakness, as it can be a source of uncertainty. Okay, next slide. Potential for broad innovation application. Point 1, product line expansion. Through spiral innovation, PT Kino Indonesia Tbk was able to expand its product line by creating oval natural face wash, which has natural ingredients such as aloe vera extract and green tea. This product complement the overall real climax, giving consumers more options in safe and effective skincare. And point 2, new market penetration. This approach also allows PT Kino to enter the international market. For example, by conducting market research in Southeast Asian country, PT Kino could launch a variant of the opal real clay mix with local ingredients such as mangosteen extract in Thailand to attract new consumers and increase revenue potential. And point 3, increase competitiveness. Sustainable Sustainable innovation help PT Kino maintain its competitiveness in the market by developing a new formula for a more effective oval real climax and utilizing a digital platform for interactive marketing campaigns. PT Kino can appeal to young customers and remain relevant in a competitive industry. Okay, let's slide conclusion. PT Indonesia Tbk has proved that innovation is at the heart of its business. Through the implementation of Spiral Innovation, the company has success in building a successful and sustainable business model with a keen focus on market needs and trends. Patekino is able to create products that are relevant and attractive to consumers. In addition, strong collaboration with various stakeholders, including customer, business partner, and regulator, have strengthened the company position in a competitive market. Thus, innovation is not only a strategy but also a culture that drives Petekino to continue to develop and adapt, facing challenge and opportunity in the future. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.